Emerald Icon Pack is a visually appealing Android application designed to enhance device personalization through a collection of elegantly crafted icons. The pack focuses on a rich green color palette inspired by the beauty of emerald gemstones, providing a refreshing and stylish aesthetic for users who want to elevate their home screens. Featuring thousands of unique icons, Emerald Icon Pack allows users to replace standard app icons with attractive alternatives that create a cohesive and vibrant look throughout their devices. The application is typically compatible with various popular launchers, making it easy for users to apply the new icons and give their devices a distinctive personality. In addition to its extensive icon library, the Emerald Icon Pack may include features like regular updates and custom wallpapers, ensuring users can continually refresh their device's appearance. Overall, this app is an excellent choice for anyone seeking to beautify their Android device with a captivating and harmonious design.